Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your machine or cloud plan meets minimum specs and you understand cost versus privacy. Once ready, pick the AI software and decide cloud or local. This affects latency and data control. Create an account, generate an API key, and set permissions so only needed services access it. Then install the client or SDK or configure your cloud project. This gets you into the first actionable state where you can authenticate and run a basic call. You now configure the integration, install SDKs or client libraries, and store API keys in environment variables or a secrets vault to avoid leaks. Next, design prompts or templates and test with small inputs so you understand response patterns and costs. Once stable, wire the calls into your app via REST or the SDK and implement retries, timeouts, and structured logging. Make sure to add input validation and output sanitization. This prevents bad data and reduces downstream errors as you scale. You finish by optimizing prompt clarity and batching requests where possible to cut latency and cost. Deploy with version control and a fallback mode so users still get value if the model is slow or unavailable, and add feedback loops to collect real-world performance data. Monitor usage, error rates, and spend dashboards daily. If something breaks, first verify API keys, quotas, and recent changes. Then confirm input formats and inspect logs for timeouts or rate limits. This single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.